True Industry 4.0 solutions should simplify operations, not complicate them with difficult integrations, expensive hardware, and constant battery replacements. The goal of Industry 4.0 is to reduce maintenance costs, not increase them. Shoplogix delivers Industry 4.0 at scale through continuous, always-on condition monitoring. Our proprietary chip technology allows Shoplogix to constantly measure and transmit data using only harvested energy. This means a continuous stream of insights without ever needing to change a battery. Combine this with a wireless range of several hundred meters and a 1,000-node gateway density, and Shoplogix provides the most scalable, sustainable, and cost-effective approach to industrial IoT. Shoplogix Machine Health Monitoring offers real-time, plant-wide insights and automated, always-on first-line defense against equipment faults. Devices equipped with triaxial accelerometers, temperature sensors, and magnetic field sensors stream data to the cloud, where users receive immediate threshold alerts. Eliminate hours wasted on manual maintenance. Our 24/7 Insights portal ensures you direct resources only when and where they are truly needed. Continuous data empowers trained analysts to pinpoint root cause issues such as misalignment, looseness, late-stage bearing failure, and more. Shoplogix sensors are built for the harshest industrial environments and hazardous locations. Yet setup is incredibly simple. Install just one gateway to cover millions of square feet. Attach Shoplogix sensors and energy harvesters for instant power on, and that's it! View data immediately in Insights portal, or integrate with your preferred data platform using Shoplogix API. Gain peace of mind with an always-on batteryless plant-wide screening tool designed to maximize uptime and optimize maintenance resources. Experience cost-effective, scalable, and sustainable machine health monitoring. Discover the potential of a world without batteries.